Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TS3750i. I want to show you how to connect this printer and computer together with a USB cable. This is the USB cable we're going to use. This printer is currently connected to a wireless network. We're going to disable the Wi-Fi network, and once we've done that, only 0 will show on the screen. So press the wireless select button. So it will show you 0. What that means is the printer is not connected to wireless network and also not connected to Wi-Fi direct. So take this part of the USB cable, connect it to the back of the printer, to this port, to the USB port, and it's in. Take this end of the cable, connect it to your laptop, and you will hear a tune. So go to laptop start, go to the settings, select printers and scanners, add a device. You can add a device if the printer is not available, but the printer is available, TS3750 series. Once you connect the printer and laptop via a USB cable, you usually pick up the printer. This is the printer. So if the printer is not available, then you select add and wait for the printer to show. So this is the printer, select on it, showing us idle print test page. Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed your Canon TS3750 series on laptop. Port name USB 011. Data raw. If you want to scan document, open the scanner glass. Put the document you want to scan face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left side. You will see arrow on the left side. Close the cover. Then select scanner settings. Select scanner properties. And make sure you can see the printer from the list. So the printer is available. I'm going to close this. Then select open scanner. Then select file type as PDF. Show more. We want to scan this in color. Resolution 300 dpi. We want to save the file in the document folder. Select document. Then select scan. The document is scanning. Then select view to view the file. This is the document. To print it out, select Ctrl P. Then select the printer. Canon TS3750 series is picked up. More settings. Select the paper as A4. Select fit to printable area. Print on one side. Then select print. This is the document we scanned and printed it out. Another method to add this printer, we're going to use Canon Print App. So go to Laptop Start, then go to Microsoft Store, search and install Canon Print App on your laptop. Canon Print App is already downloaded. Download it on your laptop, then open the app. Then you wait for the app to be ready. Once the app is ready, then you scroll to the side and look for the printer. This is the printer, Canon TS3750 series online, and this is the ink level. If you want to print document, you can select print document. If you want to scan document, select document scan. Want to print photo, then select photo. Now I want us to scan using Canon Print App. To be able to scan multiple page, select scan. Then put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner. Face down, select the document, original size as document, A4, resolution 300 dpi, 600 is maximum. So 300 is selected. Then select scan. Document is scanning. If you want to scan second page, open the glass scanner. Put this document, for example, face down. Then select next scan. To scan the second page, select scan. This is the document we scanned, 2 page, the first one and second one. You can save this document to the computer and also print it out 2-sided. To save the document, then you select save. Then you select folder. I want us to save it in document folder. Then you select save. We'll show you the file is saved. If you want to print it out, select on the file. These are the documents we scanned. To print it out, select Ctrl P. Select more settings. I want us to print 2-sided. Select 2-sided printing. Then select the printer and how many copies. The color A4 print all. Then select print. So we're going to print this 2-sided. Then it will show you that we need to reload the paper and print out. So take this paper with the area already printed out, reload it on the tray with the area printed out on the back. Then it will show you this, it will show you E2. Then select OK to confirm it, and it will print out the document straight. This is the document we scanned and printed it out, double-sided. So this is how to connect the printer and laptop together with a USB cable, print out document, and also scan document with Canon Print App and also with Windows. Please, while you are here, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed.